Today I'll be making mashed Japanese sweet potato. This creamy mashed Japanese sweet potato is a delicious and nutritious side dish. Follow this simple recipe to add a tasty touch to any meal. Hi, I'm Julie, your guide to easy Japanese cooking here at Chef J Cooks. For today's recipe, you will need 1 medium-sized Japanese sweet potato, 2 tablespoons of soy milk, salt to taste. Step 1. Peel the sweet potato, cut it into small pieces, and place them in a bowl. Add enough water to cover the sweet potatoes and soak for 5 minutes. Step 2. In a pot, bring water to a boil. Place the sweet potatoes in a steamer basket or bamboo steamer and cover with a lid. Steam them until they are tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. Step 3. Transfer the sweet potatoes to a bowl and mash them. Add the soy milk and salt to taste. Then continue mashing until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Transfer the mashed sweet potato to a plate. I hope you enjoy this easy and delicious mashed Japanese sweet potato. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/en/newsletter. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.